Healthy Bestie presents. We have often heard the famous phrase, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. However, when life gives you lemon peel, what do? You may have just prepared a batch of fresh lemonade or a couple of jars of lemon curd, leaving you with a pile of empty lemon rinds that left you wondering what to do with them. Fortunately, there are numerous methods to utilize lemon peel. Lemons are a valuable and frequently surprising fruit, and their peels have various uses in the kitchen and throughout the house. In today's video, we'll discuss the unknown and unexpected benefits of lemon peel. The wonders of a lemon peel. Not only is lemon rind edible, but it is also rich in citrus flavor and vitamin C. It is a common component in both sweet and savory recipes, with even small amounts significantly altering the flavor and aroma of the cuisine. Lemons are versatile, all-natural cleaning, beauty, and cooking agents. In addition to smelling and tasting excellent, they possess antibacterial characteristics that make them ideal for destroying pathogens. So let's explore these lesser-known properties of lemon peels. As an all-purpose cleaner, a fantastic all-natural cleanser is a lemon. It removes grease, sanitizes surfaces, and gives everything a wonderful scent. Try combining leftover lemon peel with white vinegar, another all-purpose cleanser found in nature. E. coli is very easily eradicated by lemon oil in combination with vinegar. It is superior to certain chemical household cleaners in its ability to cut through grease. The two together produce an effective, non-hazardous, and antibacterial cleanser that may be used in the home. Lemon peels and vinegar should be combined in a mason jar and left to develop for 2 weeks. Drain the peel, then add half of the lemon vinegar to a spray bottle. You now have your very own unstoppable cleaning product made entirely of natural ingredients. Fill the remaining portion with water and shake well to combine. Lemon zest. Lemon zest is a fantastic way to give your food a fresh citrus flavor. This adaptable spice is made from nothing more complicated than freshly grated lemon peel and is equally at home in sweet baked products, fragrant curries, or stuffings for meat and fowl. In terms of flavor and nutrients, a little lemon zest goes a long way. 1 tablespoon of lemon zest contains 9% of your daily requirement for vitamin C and is a fantastic source of antioxidants. You don't require specialized equipment for zesting a lemon. A kitchen zester will make it simpler. Just the bright yellow peel, not the pith underneath, should be consumed. Are you looking for an exceptional lemon extract to impart a tart lemon flavor to your dishes? You may check on the 11-ounce Watkins Pure Lemon Extract. This product is created in the United States and is suitable for cooking, flavoring beverages, and other functions as specified by your kitchen needs. It contains 100% natural oils and no artificial coloring or flavoring ingredients. This product is kosher, gluten-free, corn syrup-free, and non-GMO. Dear fragrance, who doesn't appreciate having a pleasant aroma fill their home? If you enjoy the clean, zesty scent of lemons as a natural citrus-scented room freshener, you may use leftover lemon peels to produce your own fragrance, a wonderful, fresh, aromatic perfume. Simply burn a handful of lemon peels in a bowl in any area of your home. This is the simplest way to revitalize your home without using any artificial air fresheners. Or, you may use leftover lemon peels. Simply place lemon peels in small pots throughout the house, and your home will soon smell like a bright Sicilian lemon grove. Lemon extract to marinade. You may also use lemon peels to create your own homemade lemon extract if you require lemon flavor without the sugar. This is suitable for use in savory meals like marinades for fish or chicken, baked products like poppy seed muffins, and even the creation of your own limoncello. Although it does require a lot of lemon peel, you might need to freeze the zest until you have enough. When packed, your lemon peels should fill the jar all the way up. Use 80 to 100% proof vodka or food-grade glycerin to fill the jar up to the top. After that, close the lid and give it a good shake. Shake your jar occasionally while storing it in a dark cabinet for 4 to 6 weeks to let the flavors meld. If you use glycerin, it can take longer. Decant the liquid into a clean bottle after straining. Away the lemon peel when the liquid has attained the desired amount of zestiness. Shine your artifacts. Metal artifacts typically get dull over time and tend to take on a blackish hue. Use lemon peels to restore shine to any dull metal objects you may have in your home. To get the pulpy side of a lemon peel to the outside, invert the peel. Simply rub the artifacts with the peel and expose them to the sun for 3 to 4 hours. Lemon and sunlight interact, restoring the metal's sheen. You might also use a moist towel to wipe your brass items from the peel leftovers. Alternatively, the lemon peel may be used to scrub the brass pieces or any metal artifacts, along with some sea salt. After washing in warm water, blot with a gentle cloth. This is also the most straightforward technique to clean your favorite brass objects, from doorknobs to musical instruments and more. It is the natural acid that works wonders in assisting the tarnish to go. Freeze peels to be used in recipes. You might have a lot of extra lemon peels because most recipes only call for a little amount of lemon zest. Consider freezing them for later use. If you don't have a lot of freezer space, try zesting your lemons before using them and freezing the zest instead. It can be used to make muffins, pies, or cakes. Simply add 1 teaspoon of finely minced zest when combining the butter and sugar. Even while you won't need the corresponding citrus juice, there are a select few dessert recipes that would greatly benefit from very finely diced citrus zest. You can use a complete sliver of zest to flavor any grain that is steaming in your rice cooker, or add a garnish of citrus peel to your drink. Make your coffee or tea maker appear brand new. Lemon peels work wonders for cleaning coffee pot stains and watermarks. All you have to do is add some lemon peels, some ice, and salt to the saucepan. To avoid making coffee that tastes too salty, the next time you make a pot, swirl everything around for a few minutes, then dump it out and thoroughly rinse. Your coffee maker should now seem brand new and smell lemon fresh. Lemon peel can also be used to get rid of mineral buildup in your tea kettle. Just put some lemon peel strips inside the kettle while it boils, let it sit for an hour. Then drain and rinse. Remove stains on the garments. While you were eating, did you accidentally get any curry on your shirt? In most cases, turmeric-based curries will leave behind a stubborn stain on the fabric, which will become even more noticeable if you put soap on it. To remove the discoloration, rub 1 teaspoonful of powdered lemon peel on it. Then sprinkle a pinch of salt on it and scrub it with 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice from the pulpy side. After being cleansed, you may either dry the shirt in the sun or in the shade to preserve the color of the dye. It may take you a few repetitions of the step to altogether remove the stain. The acidity of the juice is what makes this work so well as an alternative to the harsh chlorine bleach that is typically used. Dry lemon peels for later use. You can do this by slicing them into strips, laying them on parchment paper with the inside facing up, and leaving them on a sunny windowsill for 2 to 3 days. Or try baking them for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. They should normally survive for up to 3 years if stored in labeled glass jars. The dried peel can be used to flavor a variety of foods, like fruit cakes. Preparing vegetable curries and making fresh lemon tea are a few of their best uses. Additionally, you can effortlessly create a great batch of citrus-infused vodka with lemon peel. Simply combine equal parts vodka and peel in a glass container, and shake gently each day to enable the lemon flavor to permeate the liquid for 3 to 5 days. Try adding various mixes of other citrus peels for a distinctive flavor. Lemon pepper. The traditional seasoning for fish and poultry is lemon and pepper. This winning combination, which is the ideal technique to bring out the delicate flavors of white meat, is an aromatic blend of zesty, peppery delight and couldn't be easier to prepare at home. On a baking sheet covered with parchment paper, zest 5 large lemons and sprinkle with 1/3 cup of black peppercorns. When the zest is completely dry, spread evenly across the parchment and bake at the lowest temperature. After that, add 1/4 cup of kosher salt and pulse the mixture in a spice grinder until it is the right consistency. Use an airtight container for storage. Lemon peels for cleaning and sanitizing. Lemon peel can assist in cleaning and sanitizing surfaces since it contains citric acid, which has antibacterial qualities. A fantastic additional natural cleaning method is to use baking soda and lemon peel. Sprinkle some baking soda into a damp sink or bathtub and scrub with the lemon sliced side. For a spotlessly clean bathroom. The chemical reaction that results from the combination of these two substances leaves all bathroom surfaces shiny while also dissolving stains and watermarks. Cleaning your cutting boards completely before wiping them down with lemon peel. Cut side down will keep them exceptionally clean and germ-free. After waiting a short while, rinse. Remove odor from your hands. Onions and garlic, when chopped, typically leave a pungent stench on the hands that persists long after washing with soap. Scrub your fingers and nails with discarded lemon peels to instantly get rid of this stench. This will remove the scent and leave your hands smelling fresh. If you prefer using your hands to eat a greasy meal, wash your hands in hot lemon peel water to eliminate the stain and the odor. Or rub your hands with lemon rinds, giving particular care to your fingers and nails to leave them feeling citrus fresh. Clean the stoves and microwaves. Cleaning microwaves can be extremely bothersome. Food spills quickly turn into baked-on messes in such a small area that it is challenging to scrub while keeping an eye on what you're doing. It's easy to stop worrying about cleaning the microwave by using this no-scrub cleaning technique. Put 2 lemon rind halves in a microwave-safe bowl with half the water. The lemon may have been used for juicing, and part of the pulp was left inside. Cook for 5 minutes on high to bring the water to a boil and cause the vapor to condense on the microwave's walls and roof. Your microwave should now smell clean and fresh, and any stains should be easily removed with the cloth. In fact, you can wait until the lemon halves have cooled off a little bit before using them to clean your stovetop. Lemon peel is a skin scrub. Use the peels of lemons to make a natural exfoliating scrub for your skin. Simply grate the skin of the lemon and gather the grated zest in a separate bowl. Now, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil along with a half teaspoon of salt. After thorough mixing, your skin scrub is now ready to use. Scrub your arms and legs with this scrub so that the skin in those areas becomes more supple and smooth. You should probably avoid using this scrub on your face because your skin is more sensitive than other parts of your body. Due to its low pH, lemon is an excellent toner for the skin. Sunspots and age spots can be lightened by rubbing the pulpy inside of a lemon directly onto the affected area. Simply let the juice dry on the skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off. Apply the dried lemon peel powder and keep it for a few minutes. Rinse well and dry with a soft cloth or tissue. Do this every single day. You can begin a wonderful facial treatment that brightens the skin with a bright glow. There appears to be no end to the abilities of the humble lemon, from flavoring your favorite cocktail to shining your bathtub. Let's keep the conversation going with a few more videos on the benefits of lemons. Shall we? Watch 8 reasons why you should leave a cut lemon in your bedroom, or pros and cons of putting lemon in your hair. Go ahead and click one. Or, even better, watch both videos to learn more about the hidden benefits of lemon. Have you begun to use lemons as a part of your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below.